All right, guys, so this should look very familiar. You should have this in your writing journal. We are ready to write the introduction piece to our electricity or our energy paper. Mine's about electricity. Yours might not be. And so we need to decide what we need to do for our introduction in order to hook our reader. All right, because it's important when they first read your paper, they're not bored, because then they're not going to want to read anymore. So these are 4 different ways we talked about at the beginning of the year on how to hook a reader. You can include a surprising fact. You can quote somebody. You can ask a question, or maybe you can relate the topic back to a news story. So we're writing about energy, so your surprising fact would need to be about energy. I could write maybe something surprising about electricity. These are things, since we're at home, we can look them up. All right, so if you want to look up a really cool fact about the type of energy you chose, that would be a good one. You could ask a question about energy. You might even be able to relate it back to the news, maybe. I'm not sure. That might be a little bit more difficult. And there might be some cool quotes out there about energy. I'm not sure. Okay, but just keep these in mind. You do not have to pick the one that I pick. I'm going to do a video here in a second on the next slide of me writing my introduction. I just wanted to remind you of this poster that you should have in your journal too. Okay, so you're going to pick one of these, any one you want. All right.